Okay, my people, that's Saturday. They don't reach for another strong mock news. Now, they already know the year now. Now, really, the corporate John. So, I want to thank you for those who subscribe to our YouTube channel. Say, may God bless you. Continue subscribing. More things are coming. Now, see, they do now. Person mat make the smell well. You see, they use that mat, sit they drink water. Woman may not sabi sleep, not supposed to go with friend that's go sleep, and if they sleep, they open leg. You know what they happen now. So, I mean, they here, who never know me. I also now they saved during this time of coronavirus. So today mock news is a strong mock news and it's a offensive mock news, but it's a laughing mock news. Are you ready? Let's go to the reason why we are here. Okay, I want you to read this news because this news now, as it does start small now, before you know, it go turn to wait till we don't know. This boy cry hard for Jamie. Put the picture in there, you see her. The boy cry hard for Jamie. Wetin Jamie do? I don't know. But wetin he explain give me. Wetin he do? The thing bad. See, he cry hard. He said they collect the baby, collect the senior one, collect the junior one. Not reach them. They still put the woman for prison. He get wetin happen, but as explain give me, they say they don't use one matter, they judge matter. As it explain give me, if not true, wetin Jama do, e no good. And this boy now they beg to the citizen of Nigeria, to everybody, to the governor, who go fit stand for her, not be beg of money, who go fit stand for her, collect the children back. Now this boy they beg for, who go fit stand for her, who no lawyer may go fit stand for her, because say the boy now they know say not get anybody, they not sabi they speak Dutch, they do as the way they do. I beg, me see they follow at the beg. They carry this news called give me. I say they follow at the beg. I beg. If you know say you get help, may you want rent and give this boy, contact her. If you not feel contact her, contact me. I will give you a personal number so that may you and now talk face to face, mouth to mouth, you know as they be now. So I dey beg those of you now me never see when this boy they beg una, mona help am with any way una fit help am, not be for money or bet for mad and for stand who go fit stand for her. One I never see, most of una never see am when they talk am and when they drop the message, when they tell una say see wetin you need, mona help am. Oh yeah, go adelaba.
Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good morning. If you can hear me anywhere, you can hear me. Good afternoon, good morning. My name is Is, and I live in Germany. So I'm here to talk to my fellow Nigeria brothers, my fellow Nigeria sisters, anybody that can hear me. Understand? I have a two baby. This is the second one, Lara. Let me show you the picture where the second one, Lara. This is the other one, which is the firstborn, Jennifer. And this is their mother, Effie. The German government, they collect the two babies from us, and the mother where they put them for prison. Not if you speak English, my brother. You didn't pay me for mad. They put them for prison today, so which is this is mama, so a newborn never even reach 1 month waiting born, so inside this corona period. German government, they say they see something for this new one, but with the newborn, which is say leg break. We ask them, how come baby with the newborn never even reach 1 month, how leg will take break? How leg want to break? They say leg break, they say injury. They can't carry the first one, join her. They say the first one, it be like they see some old injury. See, they want to carry this one. They collected the two baby and the mama. They give her prison. They prison now, so they talk. Which is a beg. Anybody we know say will fit help. Anybody we know say you know any lawyer if he help, or any organization where they Germany if he help. If the government office can help us, I beg. See there for here. Two baby and the mother. As we talk now, the mother they prison, the mama, the pikin they one side. I beg. Anybody we know say go fit help. I beg. I beg you, see the video. I beg help me share out. When people will for 50 help me. When they see here. I beg everybody. My name is. Nobody not still know me for Germany yet. I beg this one which I they pass through. These two babies so we born there for Germany yet. But Germany they want food my hand, collect her, put in mama for prison, do 1 or 2 things to them.
Yeah, testify against.
They say he might testify against and say he's not a good mother. Which is that they talk that one and they collect my phone, my everything so that I don't feel reach anybody or make any call. They collect my phone, everything from me. So I beg, if you know that you can help us in any way, I'm not talking about money, I'm not looking for money. Help us so that we can get these children, at least if my mom will still come out for prison. If my mom name like Fidre, nobody will not still know for Germany. People will they know her well. So see the 2 children. I beg, eh? They use color now, they do the thing. They use color, they do the thing because why? Because I be black, I don't get who talk for me for Germany. I don't get anybody who I want call. If now white, this thing happen to them, don't get the right to put the mother for prison because they don't see the mother newborn, get the feeling. With oppression, you born the 2 baby with oppression. They see stomach, say, they don't even swan away. They still put them for prison. Because why I be black, I not God will speak for me. The 2 children they collect them, which is they know feed one to the other German people. Even though they want to collect the 2 children, they will give them appointment to come to see the children. They not give me any of the appointment. The mother, they not give me anything. They just leave me like that. Carry the mother, go prison. I beg. I'm not talking about money. Anybody will know if you do any help for anywhere. I beg. Now thank you.
Shebi just here. I beg. If una get help, muna want give this our brother. Muna give her need help. It's not easy to lose 2 children and to still lose wife. Woman dey prison, 2 children now dey another place. They never let her go to see them. It's not easy. I beg. If una get help, muna want help her. Muna help. If una no fit contact her, muna contact me more news. I go give una personal number because now close to my city. Now I dey stay close to my city. I'll give una personal number. Muna take contact her. Thank you as you do. Let's go to the next news. For Benin, no be small kasala don dey happen. Oh God, I see this news. I was so mobilized. How could old man, dey practice omo? That's why I could imagine every day all those fowl, all those dog men dey our streets. As they waka, nyeke, they go dey shit dey waka, They go call John will see wetin dey happen. Wetin dey happen for this street where all the dog animal the shit dey waka. They don't know say na this old man na dey vandalize any vandalizable. If he vandalize anywhere whole day. Hey, we can vandalize it. So you dey vandalize like this, now we'll never see you. Me you go vandalize coronavirus come up from the whole world. This man show you want vandalize one young boy anus. Who never know it be vandalized? Neither they call if man they vandalize another man, na be homo. Who never know it be homo? Just IQ. You want vandalize this small boy? The news I read this news. Trust Benin boy, trust Benin people. If they catch something, he said that your face go turn to blue or black. The way that you slap, I don't know where Benin people for learn that slap. Before they talk to Yoruba ona, Egbo, they will say they want fight. But Benin you, I don't know where they for learn that bad slap. Any small thing, slap when go follow your back of ear, come whoa. I know say not be your mouth. The slap when they go slap you. From today, you know say to vandalize is against the law. Those of you will never see when they cash on, when they mother. Oh yeah. Arrête
you. Il a quoi les nombres aussi, mamie? Il a quoi les nombres aussi, mamie? Il est lié à ce tollé, on m'a dit ya mio. Salo ba for mo sabure. O salo ba pa eme ya. Yon wa osalopo no.
D'accord. Uti adwa. The guy interview man about Larry Brussels go.
No, do your work, Oga. Put that way very well.
This come. Hey, look.
Stop waiting. Waiting happen. Don't tell me lie.
No, go story. I don't want to hear tomorrow story. Stop waiting happen. Go to story.
For grand.
No, just breathe.
Just
slap your hand. The man show. Go to us. Go to the Tell us what happened today. What happened this morning?
This morning. Let me say one thing.
Okay.
Come outside. Let me say.
Go on and listen.
I see this man. Let me say. Me I know where. So I'm not going to go again. I'm going to call this sound. Let me. Also, that's what they don't commit me. Let me say. I'm not going to. I'm going to wash the car wash. Let me say. Come on, the motor fleet. Now come come. That's what I know where. I dey have to go work now. Because okay, you won't come check in the come. You won't check me. I see come. Let me say. If I tell you me I shave my yash. Let me say. Then also tell you what I will carry. Tell me so, cooking all this stuff. Tell me so, carry me go Lagos. And let me say, me I come down. Pick up come. Me understand this code well. Tell me so, as me with the yard. Tell me so, let me come see. I see this man. I dey chop bread and mineral. I did the chair. Now he come, he knock me for head. As he knock me, is it pardon me? I been one follow up. Tell me so, my cousin me I put down. Now I say, if I don't use your chair to chop my food. Tell me so, now I say, he look me first. Okay, go shop and now me cook. I cook my chair. Quand the question machine finish, donc so, the mark only the mark because me I come my best come for trailer work. Don't me say no give me because I need the mark. That's I need work. That's I need work. So I come for my single.
They talk like people, not the only.
I come for now.
You call me come say the man want buy you trailer.
Yes. So I see come. Tell me so. I talk feeling night market. They say because you no want buy me trailer again. No be trailer now. Tell me so. You won't carry me. Follow. Call me go abroad. Tell me so. Me I go abroad. Tell me so. Say wait 8 minutes. Me I do that fit do. Because wait does say me I do and fit do. Because na cook. Because cook. I fit push cook. If na cook the talk. Tell me so I will do. Tell me so. Because okay. Na. Next time news. And they put the okay because say news other place not dey put am for news say na news next time news also okay because if you will teach me how to do am because I say you teach me say yes because dey surprise sometimes you come you say me I come out for a breast now I suck a breast since when I suck a breast for that year you see me I stop
na homosexual
no dey see you are talk to person as mature they talk you be man now he say make you suck a breast yes when you suck the breast, after that, what happen?
After that, tell me so.
You talk to me, they talk like a
tell me so. Then you go send me car 300 naira. Tell me so. You send out, just send out 2 phones, send out 300 naira. Yesterday, now I come my place. I come my place.
They come here.
They come here.
Okay.
Check me. Now so they don't come. You cannot get around. They can't come. You cannot go yesterday. I don't feel go anywhere. Come decide. Come here. Come decide. Come do later. You say you won't teach me that thing. You won't teach me yes. I don't teach me. He use that to rub my body. He say my son, suck my breast. You see what they want that way. Tell me so. You come out to me. I don't say me no way. You say me I do am. I no way. You won't teach me. You won't teach me. That's okay. No problem. Before you know, you carry. You say me I put my body. Hello, I hope you come from my put my best. Put my trouser. Why they put my trouser? They put my car. Tell me so. They put my trouser. Why they put my trouser? They say you won't teach me how to do it. Tell me so. Before you come, because I just see the person. Tell me so. Like you go with as he come, you won't do it. You won't do the thing. Tell me so. You pick you not get up.
You want fucking for yarn.
Then you go talk now. Talk and straight go there.
You pick not get up. You pick not get up. Today he come on. Tell me so. Come on go house. Today say he will come to check me. I can't get no problem. He say come check me. Me I gotta go where he must go. Gotta go yard. They will go wash our car wash. After that one, tell me so. I'll follow him. Anybody call me. I don't do the answer again. They put me this only one. This only one. Cause okay. This thing I couldn't bother for my mind. Say if they come today, now call my guy. Say I call this my call. I say what you see what they pass through. I don't understand this matter. Then so because it's me I no way. Now call on my guy. That one not come. Then this one come this morning come. Now come the now tell 5 passes what did happen. Then so because okay no problem. Now they come they hang around. At the hang around this door is for yesterday. Then so and they come and carry away. Get what they use and take pin now. Then so because you don't pin as you join test. I see you don't pin the way I pin away. Then so get what it say pin away say yes. You can look at your some way. Now you use and I come put the cut. Because okay. Let's say this. Because you don't buy that. Because I feel cool. Then so if sharply, he put cloth, some so, put liquor, some so. He put my liquor. He sit down on me. He say they rob me. If you don't stand, even the you don't get up. Sit down. Stop me. If you don't stand. Let's say that you put it on one. Let's say Let's go. I don't want to hear anything from you. Open your face. What's down here for you now? Now you open the door. As you open the door, wait, when I listen. When I listen. As I talk to them. When I listen. As I open door. As the day I open door, now what did you do for my grandfather? Now make your phone not they go. This man just quick. Now we landlord. The next you just drop bossa me the wear bossa. Now there you follow. Now there I follow and I light and say, you won't kill my brother. If I just make you stop work, now landlord enter. When landlord enter now, he don't the wear bossa. Now he one leg. I know if you follow that. I know they drag with time.
Shebi just see when the old man we can't vandalize it. If I hear say na so my puppy shit waka again, just get am for me. I say I go finish you. So you don't vandalize all the animal finish now come person in now you dey vandalize you old man with Omo. I never hear this kind one say old man dey, and now you not to get money now you see the do Omo. Hey, Bobrisky come and carry your brother or come and carry him, make they vandalize you. We'll go straight to the next news.